So I just built myself as a Dungeons & Dragons mini on HeroForge, and my awesome friend Knox is about to help me print myself on his 3D printing machine.
You don't want to have the model fail and like the arm not print. You've got this really cool dice that you're holding. If there wasn't a support there, the resin wouldn't hold that.
I don't know much about this because I've never done it before, but Knox does it all the time. Spinning you.
You put the resin in the tank here, it exposes it through UV light.
So which part do I get to do? Which part do you trust me with on the machine?
I'm gonna let you hit start.
I get to hit start.
It's all set. You can hit the start button right now.
I assume that's the arrow.
Yeah, I mean, you look.
All right. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3.
Great.
All right, so it's supposed to become like this, but I've got to take the supports off. So I'm gonna take this laser, pass it through here. Oop, there you go. Oh my gosh, it's me! It's a little Christine!
Unknown file format.
Oh, but why did this guy print so weird? Oh my gosh, 3D printer error madness.